Case study: Livingstone versus Ministry of Defense. Introduction. In the case of Livingstone versus Ministry of Defense, a legal dispute arose from a violent incident involving a soldier employed by the ministry and a civilian Livingstone. During a riot, soldiers were deployed to restore order. The situation escalated, and the soldiers, under attack from the rioters, resorted to firing baton rounds, large rubber bullets, to control the crowd. One such round, intended for crowd control but not aimed at any specific individual, struck and injured Livingstone. This incident sparked a legal battle on three fronts: negligence, assault, and battery. Issue. The central legal question in Livingstone versus Ministry of Defense revolved around the claim of battery. Battery, in tort law, refers to the intentional and unlawful touching of another person. The crux of the issue was whether the soldier's action, firing the baton round into a crowd, constituted battery against Livingstone, who was struck unintentionally. While negligence and assault were also claimed, the battery claim presented the most significant legal hurdle. Holding. The court delivered a landmark judgment in favor of Livingstone. The court ruled that the soldier's act of firing the baton round into the crowd constituted battery, even though there was no specific intent to harm Livingstone. This seemingly surprising decision opened a new chapter in the legal understanding of battery. Ratio decidendi. The court's reasoning hinged on the principle of legal responsibility for the direct and natural consequences of one's actions. Firing a projectile into a crowded space where people could be harmed set in motion a chain of events that resulted in Livingstone's injury. The court argued that the soldier, by choosing this course of action, assumed the risk of unintended consequences. Significance. Livingstone versus Ministry of Defense holds tremendous significance in the realm of tort law, particularly concerning the concept of battery. This case established a precedent that intention to harm a specific individual is not the sole determining factor in a battery claim. As long as the defendant's actions directly resulted in an unwanted physical contact, they could be held liable. This broader interpretation of battery has significant implications for situations involving crowd control, use of force by authorities, and potential unintended consequences. Conclusion. Livingstone versus Ministry of Defense stands as a landmark case, reshaping the legal understanding of battery. It emphasizes the importance of considering the foreseeable consequences of actions, even in the absence of specific intent to harm. This case has lasting implications for law enforcement, crowd control procedures, and the potential legal repercussions associated with using force in uncertain circumstances. If you are a law student and looking for more case studies, visit our website www.mylawtutor.net.